Hey everyone, Tom from Metro Hobbies here. Gonna run through some of the new Bandai releases that we've just had in lately, keep you amused while we're all in this horrible lockdown situation. So we're gonna go over some of the cool new stuff that's come in and some of the bigger ones that have finally just made it into Australia. So we'll start with the easy ones first. First up, we've got the new Porta Nova and in the black, and we also have the Alto Crown type. These are 30-minute mission kits. These are very customizable, they're really good fun, there's tons of option packs available for them. If you're looking for something that'll give you just that little bit of customization option over some of the other Bandai kits, these 30-minute mission kits are absolutely fantastic. Moving on from that, I've got a couple of new Build Divers releases. We've got the Mercon support unit, so basically just an extra armor set for one of the HGBD kits. We've also got the new mobile doll May. So people who are familiar with Ayami and the mobile doll Sarah that we've had before, this is an extension of that, just a little bit more detailed than the previous ones. They're always evolving, so they're always a good buy. And finally in the HGBD range, we've got the Tertium. This is one cool looking kit. It's mad sort of purplish kind of armor, very unique sort of style, a little bit reminiscent of the Magnum. So if you like that kit, this is definitely a good one to grab. Moving on, we've got some of the tamashii stage stuff. Now this is things, we haven't had these before, so these are new. So we've got the Tamashii Girl Aoi, and we've got the matching Soryamaru. So these two kits actually combine. Soryamaru can actually be built as a Gundam-like robot, but when it's combined with the Tamashii Girl kit, it actually turns into a really cool setup with a big motorbike and all the rest of it. So if we zoom in just on there, you can see the variation. This is one really cool looking set. Now, for the big news. Everybody in Australia has been waiting for these. They have taken far too long to get here. We finally have the full armor Double Z fur car. This is probably one of the nicest kits that's come out in the last few months. It's an absolute beast of a unit. Make sure you've got plenty of shelf space for this thing. It will take up a huge amount of space. You're looking sort of like the Vercar Psycho Zaku in space. So it's an absolutely beautiful kit. We will be doing a box opening of this one at some point too. And for the perfectionist in everyone, we have the perfect Strike Gundam, perfect grade. Strike Gundam's been around for a little while. They've finally cleaned it up. They've added a little bit extra detail, and they've given us all of the weapon options and backpack options for this. This is an amazing kit. As you can see on the back there, it comes with absolutely everything you could want to strap onto a Strike Gundam. This is absolutely beautiful. It's one of the nicest perfect grades that's come out in a while as well. Yeah, no more needs to be said about that one. I know a lot of people have been waiting for this. So jump online, metrohobbies.com.au, come check out our Box Hill store or our city store. We are open during all of this trouble, as long as we can anyway. There's plenty in stock. We'll see you soon. Bye.